Tired of grocery store herbs? Grow your own with LetPot. Imagine fresh herbs and veggies right at your fingertips, grown indoors, year-round. The LetPot LPH-Max Hydroponics system makes it a reality. Let's dive into this smart garden and see if it's the right fit for you. The LetPot LPH-Max is a smart indoor hydroponics system. It features automatic watering, nutrient supply, and full-spectrum LED lighting. This system is designed for effortless indoor gardening, perfect for beginners and experts alike. This system boasts automatic watering and nutrient monitoring. The LetPot app allows for customized lighting schedules. A 36W full-spectrum LED light mimics natural sunlight, promoting faster growth. The app also offers customizable light modes and water level alerts, remote updates, a plant encyclopedia, and a plant diary are included. The system is crafted from stainless steel for durability. The water tank provides up to 30 days of automatic watering. The LetPot LPH-Max comes with everything you need to get started. This includes 21 planting cups, sponges, baskets, lids, and A and B nutrients. The setup is straightforward, even for beginners. The app is intuitive and easy to use. You can adjust light intensity, growth timings, and switch between light modes. The system is designed for low maintenance and high efficiency. Users rave about the easy setup and impressive growth rates. Many appreciate the sleek design and quiet operation. Some users have noted the pump cycles on and off every 30 minutes, which is normal. One user mentioned growing lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and strawberries. Another user highlighted the app's comprehensive features. Overall, users are pleased with the system's performance and convenience. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-efficiency hydroponic system, the LetPot LPH-Max is an excellent choice. It simplifies indoor gardening and provides fresh produce year-round. You can find the LetPot LPH-Max on Amazon. Check the product description for more details. Don't wait any longer to start your indoor garden. Click the link in the description to check out the LetPot LPH-Max on Amazon. Read the reviews, compare prices, and bring the joy of fresh, homegrown produce into your home today.